So the company I chose was Biogenetech, and the job title for it is Pilot Scale Protein Purification. It is located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and the job category falls under Biopharmaceutical Sciences. The job description for it says that the person will be performing lab assignments associated with pilot scale protein purification lab activities. These assignments may include clarification of bioreactor harvests, uh, chromatography, column operation, ultrafiltration operations, and solution preparation and ordering. Individuals must also compile raw data and collect data for analysis, as well as contribute to the writing of development reports and lab protocols. Individuals may also assist in the development of unit operations, as well as the transfer of technology to the manufacturing group. Some qualifications include experience and basic understanding of principles of protein purification, operation of purification equipment, such as filtration, column chromatography, and ultrafiltration, ability to carefully follow written procedures, and log data into lab notebooks or data forms. Good writing and computer skills is a plus. Good afternoon. My name is Mohammed Faizaan Akhter. I am a graduate from Drexel University, class of 2013. I graduated with a Bachelor's of Science degree in Biomedical Engineering, and my concentration was Biomaterials and Tissue Engineering. I believe that I am the perfect candidate for this position because I have had much research experience in the past that would contribute to my skill set. My first experience was with a clinical research study conducted at King Faisal Specialist Hospital, which is a tertiary care center located in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Specifically, I was involved in the Children's Cancer Center. I worked with a pediatric oncologist physician who was conducting research on a group of over 60 patients trying to see the effects of a more acute chemotherapy treatment for patients at a more advanced stage of cancer. All of these patients were children who had stages 1 through 4 of lymphatic cancer. Specifically, he was working with patients who had non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. My main task was to monitor the patient charts and report any signs of relapse as well as any toxicities developed from the administering of these chemotherapeutic protocols. This task demanded that I write very detailed reports for the physicians to observe. I learned to be very cohesive, concise, and detail-oriented in all of my work, as well as develop excellent communication skills. I also increased my medical vocabulary during my time there. My second research position was with the professor of chemistry. We were trying to develop an efficient and permanent method of creating silver nanoparticles without any aggregation taking place. The problem with this is that the silver nanoparticles are very sensitive to factors throughout the preparation technique, and every method used to create them needed to be very precise in terms of variables and quantity. This means that every single thing that was done in the lab needed to be recorded and tabulated. I have learned to be very efficient in performing experiments and have also learned to keep good lab notebooks that can be seen and observed by others for critical information. I believe that these two key experiences, along with my many others, have contributed tremendously to the skills I will be able to utilize to perform exceptionally at this job. I would like to thank you for your consideration, and I'm eager to hear back from you. Thank you very much.